Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. In this video, we are going to go over how I made this Taylor Swift midnight dress. I made a dress. I'm to believe that she was wearing like a one piece. So a couple things before we start the video. This should have been uploaded maybe a week ago. We got sick, down with the sickness. We're all better now, a little stuffy nose, so I apologize if I sound stuffy, and this doesn't look, it looks funny on the mannequin because it is my size. I did make it my size, so we did end up trying it on at the end, so make sure you hold off until the end. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I have made a rough outline of the pattern that I want to follow. I have tried to represent Taylor Swift's dress as much as I could from the photos. I noticed that she has it's like a jumper suit that she's actually wearing, but I think I want to just make it a dress, and if I have enough fabric, I do want to make it a longer dress, but I have a tiny piece of this. Depending on if I have enough, I want to do the front like that. And then I have this tablecloth, which has this embroidery type deal on it, which I think would look nice. We're just going to be using what I have here on hand because I am not investing in anything, because I did invest in these $2.25, and I got a couple packages of them. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I cut out the blue fabric and I gave myself a ton of seam allowance so I can wiggle room. I did the front in all of my silk, and I did the sides and back in the tablecloth. And I'm gonna do the straps also in the tablecloth. But that's an update. Okay, I have sewn up the front, and I'm going to be adding the tablecloth to the two sides and the back, and then hopefully I can fit it to my body. If not, I'm just going to keep it on the mannequin and do the stars and then the hold-on glitter effect that she has going on, and that looks amazing.
you so much, you guys, for watching, and I just wanted to shout out thank you so much for subscribing. I have almost 60 subscribers now. I actually made a cake before I got sick, and it was a beautiful cake. I'll just show you a picture. It was just a carrot cake because that's my favorite. It was delicious, and I loved celebrating, and I wanted to celebrate that with you guys. So thank you so much for joining my journey, and there's going to be so much to come. I can't wait to show you all. Until the next one, bye!